All right, what's up, everybody? Okay, so this is a very basic tutorial on how to use Pixaloop. Here's what you do. First and foremost, pull it up in your app store, search just like it sounds, Pixaloop, Pixaloop. I already got it downloaded, so I'm just going to open it up. Looks just like that icon right there. Now, once you're inside, click on you see the two different logos in the top left of your screen. Click on the one second to the left, the one that looks like a picture frame, and then it's going to give you the option to do a new project. Open that up, and then it'll take you right into your gallery, your photo gallery on your phone. So I'm going to click on the picture that I want, this sunset with the ocean and the pier. It's going to load it up for me. Now look, it is very basic and easy to use from this point. You see these different icons on the bottom of the screen. We got animate, water, sky, overlay, element, camera effects, and much more. Let's try clicking on the sky feature. And you can see the different options here below. I'm going to click on one that kind of looks most similar to what we got already going on in the background. I'm going to click on this SU03, and you can see it, boom, right away, what it does to the background. It gives you some options here too. Once you click on it, you got three options. Horizon, so you can mess with the lever and go up and down, and you can see just how it impacts the background. You can do the same thing to ambient. Go up and down, and you can see just what it does to the background as well. And try opacity if you'd like as well. Kind of trial and error sort of thing going on here. So this sky feature, it is super simple. You can go back and forth and click on different sky options, mess around with it, see what you like. I'm going to jump back out to some of the other element features here. Let's try element. So here's what we got here. There's whatever the heck this thing is, some star galaxy thing. You can pinch your fingers on the screen to minimize it. Minimize it. That's the word I'm looking for. And you can see it right there, and you can move it all around your screen. I don't really like that, so I'm going to try something different. Let me see if I can shuffle through and find something else on here. Lots of stuff to choose from, which is great. There's this firework option. That's kind of neat. Let me see if I can minimize that and push that to the upper right part of the screen here and hit play. And all of a sudden, boom, it's animating, and I got the sky. I got the fireworks. Looks great. You can move it around on your screen. I like it. I'm going to keep it right there, I think. Okay, we got the sky, we got the fireworks. Let me see if I can hit this left arrow on the bottom of the screen and try to add another layer. Let's do the water feature. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna try clicking on this one, WA06. Now look at the left side of the screen. The waves are moving. They're moving over there. See that? Very simple. All you gotta do is click on that, and that's what they do. Now I'm shuffling through the different wave options on the bottom of the screen, and you can see how it impacts. I like that. That's cool looking. So I'm going to export it. You click on the top right of your screen to do that. And then you can play around with these settings if you want. How long do you want the clip to be? Sure, 6 seconds sound great. Everything looks good. 16:9, sure, whatever. Mess around with this stuff till you get it the way you want it. Then just hit export. Look, a lot of this is trial and error. This is super easy. I love this app. Very, very basic. You mess around with it for about 15 or 20 minutes and you have mastered it. So that's it. There's going to be more coming. This is my very first one. I know it is Crash Course, but a lot of these tutorials that I see online just drag on way too long. So I'm trying to keep it as short and concise as possible. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for checking it out.